So hey everyone, today I'm here to represent my final capstone project at the Mirai School of Technology which I have made. The project is all about making a conversational order assistant whose name I have given as Foody. So we'll have a demo of it, that how I've made. I will completely explain you all the demo as well as the complete workflow, how the things are working, how the details are going in the sheets and everything. We'll see. The important feature about this project is that I have made it in two ways. First is that user can have a form mode, they can enter their details manually and they can order. Along with that, I have implemented a chatbot feature also, means the user can directly with the help of audio they can chat with the chatbot, and the chatbot will automatically fetch the order and it will be completed, and the users as well as the warehouse teammates will receive the mail. So this thing also I have implemented, means both the chat mode as well as the uh, form mode feature. Along with that, in the chat mode, I have chatbot. What I have implemented is that I have made a multi-language feature. Suppose if a user doesn't want to speak in English, or they want to speak, have to convert their language to some other language, their regional languages, so they can convert. I have given some options for you, but later we'll scale these options. So we'll see that also. And in the chatbot, I have given both options, means the user can interact with the chatbot in the form of text as well as in the form of the voice button I have also implemented, so they can directly talk with the voice with the chatbot via voice. Okay, so this is one of the most unique features that I've implemented. So just like have a overview. This is a complete overflow. You can say the workflow of my project that I have made for just going with this, or we'll see how it works. First, let us make it work. So what I have implemented, I am showing you this link from my phone. So as you can see that this is a complete I don't know if it's visible or not, but I think so it's little bit visible. It's the form is completely open. So here's the you can see here is the order button, complete order button. So as soon as I click on the complete order button, we'll see something is going on in our workflow. So let us do that. First we'll try to execute the workflow. So execute workflow, we have clicked and I have clicked complete order from my phone because it is working from the phone also. Yes, you can see that the completely the workflow is going on. Wow, fantastic. Webhook code, then appended row, send a message, update row in the sheet, because we will also have a look on the sheets. Then AI agent is parsing with the details and it will send to the user again. So this send a message one, this last one after the AI agent is going to the this Gmail is going to the user directly. So workflow executed successfully. We have seen, first we'll try to see the data which is being fetched in the Google Sheets or not. After that I will come here to explain my complete overflow. Okay, so let's have a look on the sheets. Yes, name, detail, phone number, everything is the delivery status, everything is coming. uh, it's nice. Yes, it's nice. Oh yes, double order, I think so. Yes, and this was my previous, this is what I have fetched right now. So we can see every order is being completely coming in our Google Sheets, the database which we have maintained correctly. And the delivery status part also means the delivery status part signifies that when the warehouse team member will deliver the order to the customer's home, they will from their side will put a yes or no that they have delivered the order or not. Yes, this yes should come below. I think there is a technical glitch in the sheet, because just in the upper row we can see that the yes is coming just aside the approval column. So it is fine, not very that thing, but yes, it's working, that is most important thing. The sheet is completely working. So let's come to the overall workflow. What is happening over here, that I have attached my webhook link over the lovable. The lovable is parsing the data. As soon as I have completed my everything in the order part in the web page which I have shown you from the mobile, the link I will attach from there. You can also see the web page. And now I will give you a overlook of my web page also. So the webhook is giving to this code. What is code is going, actually the webhook is having the data in the form of JSON. So we have to convert that from the JSON, so that in the N10 workflow we can have a drag and drop system. Because what is the main important advantage of using N10 is that we can easily drag and drop things. So what I am doing, I have make a .json parser. This will parse the data and we can easily drag and drop from the body part. So this append row sheet is what actually it's appending the complete details of the customer in the Google Sheet that I've shown just now. This send a message, this what it is doing is that the complete details of the order is being sent to the warehouse team. this warehouse team will completely prepare the order, and when they will fetch the order and give to the customer, then they will update the row, means the delivery persons or the warehouse team of the foodie will update this that they have delivered. That is why there was a column at the last in my sheet, that is a delivery status. So if they have delivered the order successfully, they will put it yes, or else they will put a no. So what this AI agent and send a message is doing in the AI agent part, see, I have implemented two models, OpenAI chat model as well as the open router chat model. This open router chart model is acting as a fallback model. If means what it's showing, that if the OpenAI model is getting fail at any point of time due to huge crowd or something else, then the open router chat model should work at that time. This is what I have tried to show over here. That is why a cross symbol is coming over. That is means what is mean, that OpenAI chat model is little bit having a some sort of issues in it, or maybe in sort of keys or something like that. That is why the open router chat model has successfully worked. That is why here it is shown green symbol and here it is shown red symbol. So in the AI chat agent, what this AI agent will do, what is the that is what I want to show you all, that this is the most important feature of my web page, that AI agent will do whatever the product is being selected by the customer, whatever the dish they will select to eat. This AI agent, what it will do, suppose it has selected chocolate bar, suppose the person has selected some sort of veg biryani or something like that, any product they have selected or any sort of dishes they have selected. So my AI agent will, in the backend, what it will do, it will internally suggest some 2 3 more dishes related to the dish that the customer has selected, so that the customer stays in our web page and they will try to order more and more things. This is the one and most important feature, not one, it's one of the many features that I have implemented in my complete web page to have a crowd of the users on my page. And this what this last send a message will do, this will send the complete details of the product as well as the customer details, whatever the customer has given, to the customer's Gmail, so that a customer will receive that yes, your order is confirmed, you have your credentials where this is, you have entered this and the product name, as well as it will also give them the suggestion that you have selected this item and these are the more items you can also buy. This is one of the important features that I've implemented, as I told, because along with the chatbot, along with the voice part, along with the multi-language part, this is one of the most important features that I thought to implement to make my web page more unique. And this yes, the difficulty part was that to have a update row in the sheet, because I want the delivery person or the warehouse team to update the sheet. Is one of the most difficult part. Next difficulty that I faced was implementing this to two models, because I wanted a fallback model apart from the main model. And the third thing was that when I was having a workflow, I completely made the workflow, and this what I was saying, that I was not able to drag and drop. Then later I have searched on the chat GPTs and other Gemini models that what was missing in my complete workflow. So they suggested that it may happen that you need to parse the data. So that is why I implemented a code part. This code part will parse the data so that I can easily drag and drop from the board. This is a complete overall workflow. So I am just moving on to this web page that I have made. This is a wonderful UI that I have made with the conversational order assistant. As you can see, it is written over there. In the chat mode and the form mode, both features I have implemented. And in the chat mode, Foody agent multi-language part, as you can see, language is written, and voice message part is also here. I will show you the form mode, but due to some YouTube credentials that we cannot upload user details, so what I have done, I have taken the screenshot. I will attach the link of the running website. You can try with your own. It's not a big deal, because we have to upload the videos also. That is why I have taken the screenshot. From the screenshot I will try to show you. But first of all, let's have a look on this Foody AI assistant. How does it work? Just a little bit look. Hello, my name is let's say Sharad. I have written. How it will reply, just we'll see that. Nice to meet you, Sharad. What's your email address? So can, but now here we'll not give the email address because it's the video is going on live. So yes, you can try yourself, no issues are there. And whoever the customer will come and try, it will completely run, no issues will be there. The multi-language support is also there, the voice assistant part is also there. Let's just have a look on the form mode part that I've implemented. This one is, yes, this one is the form mode part that I have implemented. This is the complete user interface. The name, email address, and the phone number. User have to enter each of them, and if the user tries to enter a phone number that is of 8 digits or 9 digits, the input will not be able to take in. So you have to give a complete number of 10 digits. This is the important feature. This is one of the important features that I have made with the form mode. Along with that, the backend will also check whether the phone number is of 10 digits or not. It may happen that due to some technical glitch, the phone number is, the user has input 10 8 numbers of digits in the phone number part, and the complete order button is completely going on, means the order is getting fetched, but the backend will again check whether you have implemented 10 numbers or not. Same goes with the email. You have to enter a correct email, else it will show that wrong email you have entered. Please enter a valid email. This part, second, two types of checking I have done in the front end as well as the back end part. Next, this is the order form. After we have completed next step, in the previous step we will see this page which will come, which shows product name and quantity. So you have to enter the product name and the quantity. Yes, again also you cannot enter the quantity -1, 0, -2 and all this. You have to enter some sort of positive number, and the product name you have to enter as when you click on the product name, you will see some sort of recommendation that my website is giving you, means based on your search you can see some sort of recommendation. After click on the next step button, you will see this address and preferred delivery date. So the user have to give their delivery date as well. And next, this complete, when the user clicks on this button of complete order, they will redirect to this page, which has a beautiful animation that is coming from the top, bottom and every side, and order details will be fetch over here. This is what my complete website will go on. So we will see just the mail, how the user is seeing his mail, whether he is receiving or not after completing the order. So yes, we can see that the user has received the order, that what I have told Mahesh Babu, and he has ordered chocolate bar and dark chocolate. These suggestions are also coming from my agent, that user has selected this product, they can also buy these things from our page. And this is a complete page, means this is a complete thank you message that is going on to the customer. And we'll now see what the message goes on to the warehouse team, how they are seeing the message. So yes, a new order has been received, this chocolate bar dark, customer details and everything is being shown over here. So yes, we can see that the web page is completely working, no issues are there, and the workflow is also working very good. The project that I have made is absolutely outstanding, with the important features like AI agent will automatically suggest 3-4 dishes, and it has a loop part, means if the AI agent is getting failed, it will continue to loop, it will continue to work 3 times more, so that the glitch is getting over automatically. Then the part of parsing, then updating the sheet by the delivery person, all these features, as well as the multi-language part and the voice assistant have were difficult to implement, but yes, I have implemented with the help of the guidance of our Gautam Oza sir. So this is all about. Thank you.